Yeah. Woo!
Have yourself a merry little Christmas.
Good morning, guys. Today is Vlogmas day 14, and today I am on babysitting duty of Charlotte. Is that you? And so we are hanging out. Lindsey comes home at about 1, and so we're basically just spending the morning together. But this little girl woke up at 4:30 this morning, which is not normal. And so we are hoping she stays happy for as long as possible. Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah.
Hey Charlotte, where are your eyes? Where's your nose? Where's your mouth? Oh, your ears. Where's your hair? Oh, yeah. We just recently learned how to do all of that, so. Thank you. Doop. Woo! Come back. There you go. Hot diggity dog, hot dog, hot dog. Hey Charlotte, what does the car do? What does the car do? That's not what a car does. You don't want to sleep. Do you not want to sleep? This little goon woke up at 4:30 this morning and she does not want to nap. I say Aunt Michelle's just too fun. Come here. Yeah.
Mama.
Mama. You miss Mama. Where your nose? Where's your hair? You show 'em. Yeah. Show 'em how you can walk, Char. You got it. Yeah. Let's go get it. Gotta go get it. Gotta go get it. Roxy. Yay! This is like the most she has ever walked. She is just going everywhere. Yeah! We're watching Brooke's vlog while Charlotte eats her lunch. Yum yum. So right now I am getting ready. I just finished babysitting Charlotte because Lindsey came home. But I am going over to my other sister Lindsey's house, and I'm gonna help her film a nursery room tour for Ezra. And then we are also gonna make hot chocolate and just kind of have a fun day. I haven't seen her home in a while, and so yeah. So I just finished getting ready and I just got a present from Aiden's family in the mail. And I'm really excited because I have no idea what this could be. Oh, it's 2 things. So sweet. That's so sweet. This is a book by Tim Keller, and I recently just read The Meaning of Marriage, and so I really love his books, and I haven't read this one. It's called Making Sense of God. Thank you so much. There's still one other thing in here. So this is Chocolates of Vermont, and I have been wanting to go to Vermont because Aiden has a cabin there. His family has a cabin there, and so I bet they sent that because I keep talking about having to go there. So thank you so much. Just got in the car, about to head over to go to Lindsey's. I'm trying to debate what I want to listen to, if I want to do a podcast or if I want to do music. Don't know what that is. Very chilly. Lindsey lives pretty close by though, so it's not gonna be a long drive or anything.
Although it's been said many times, many ways.
Got to Lindsey's house. Look how cool her shelves are, guys. This house is so cute. I haven't seen it since she's done all of this stuff, but it's so cute. Lindsey's making the Mexican hot chocolate. Yeah, it smells good. I hope I put... You just like someone being over there with... I will stir. Since I'm the one with the apron on, you know. Is this sexual healing? Guys, if you want to check out this Mexican hot chocolate recipe, it's the best. I'll have it linked below. It's also very easy. Right now it is about 4:50. I'm gonna go work out in like 30 minutes. But my mom and Jamie are actually driving back tonight, and so it's just me. So it's actually just my dad and I think Lindsey might come over, and then my other sister-in-law Lindsey is also going to be here, and so we're gonna have a pizza night, which I'm excited about because my other sister-in-law Avery has the best homemade pizza recipe, so we're gonna do that. But I think I'm just going to edit this vlog for a little bit and then go ahead to work out. I just left to go to the gym. I think tonight I'm just gonna do the Stairmaster for like 30 minutes and then do a 30-minute full body Vlogmas workout, because I want to do a new video. I do kind of the same ab, leg, and butt video workouts, and so I want to try something new, and I really like Vlogmas. And so I feel like something that's a little bit more low intensity, because the past 2 days I ran, past 2 nights I ran, and then I also did pretty intense like circuit workouts, and so I kind of want a little bit of a chill workout tonight, but still going nonetheless. Just finished working out, and I will link the Vlogmas workout that I did down below. It was really good. I think I really felt it a lot because I haven't done something new in a long time, and especially the ab workouts in it, my abs just feel super tight, which I love that feeling. It's really dark. I'm sorry. I'm so hungry though. I cut the workout like 5 minutes short because I was just so hungry. My stomach kept growling. So I'm really excited to eat, but it's dark, so I'm gonna go. I wanted to ask you guys, I was watching Ellie and Jared's videos because my sister Lindsey showed me how she was having a lot of trouble with like anxiety and sleeping and feeling fatigued a lot, and so she actually like went to the doctor and her blood tests were normal, but then she ended up going to a hormone doctor instead and found out that her hormones were like out of whack, and a lot of doctors don't necessarily check on that kind of stuff. And so I wanted to ask you guys before I go to sleep if you have ever gotten your hormones checked, how you did that, what was your experience with that, did you think it was helpful, how you did that, what was your experience with that, did you think it was helpful, and also if you have done that specifically in the Dallas area, if you know a doctor who specializes in like hormone balancing, please let me know. I am still having troubles with sleeping. This has been something that I've been dealing with since like August, so it's been a long time, and just like a few other things that I've been dealing with, and I've already gone to a doctor. I have an appointment for a specialist, but it's not till March. But I haven't even thought of checking my hormones, and I thought that might be something I want to do just because of the medication I'm currently on, and also because I went on Accutane in the past, and I think that could have something to do with what I'm going through. So please let me know. I would definitely be interested. I just really want to fix this from the most holistic way possible, and I think that that could definitely be helpful. So please let me know. I had such a good day today. Watching Charlotte today just made me so genuinely happy. She's such an angel, and then I'm so happy I got to see Lyndsey and Ezra, and just a family-filled day, and really made my heart happy. I'm about to call my boyfriend, which is gonna make me happy too. And so I hope you guys are also having a happy day when you watch this on Saturday. When I wake up tomorrow, Jamie will be here, which will be really exciting too. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.